A month and a half, I started recording, writing down what I did for my workouts. Month and a half. Within a month and a half, I have ran 174 kilometers, which is around 103 miles. I have did about 7,000 push-ups. I have read 3 books already, and I did about 1,500 pull-ups and a bunch of sit-ups. I don't remember, like 600 or something. And these numbers, they seem incredible, right? I'm amazed at myself. But how did I get there? Every day, just do one thing. So what is that one thing that I do every day? So when people look at me, right, and I tell them these numbers or what I've done, they're like, wow, Mike, you're amazing, you're amazing. It's not really amazing to me. Why? Because all I did was wake up early and do a 30-minute run. And you're like, huh? And I'm like, yeah, that's all it really takes. So what does that mean? You just have to do one thing to better yourself. I'm telling you right now, one thing. And from that one thing, it would keep spinning off. So what does that mean? Okay, so I wake up at 4:30 in the morning to do a run. From there, I run past a little park where they got handbars, whatever, so I can do pull-ups and I can do sit-ups. So I do 50 sit-ups every morning, and I do about 20 to 30 pull-ups every morning. And then during the day, I have to drink water because I have to prepare for the next day's run. So every day I'm drinking a lot of water. And I have to eat healthy. I can't eat burgers, I can't eat pizza. I love it, but I do it very little. So like McDonald's, I love McDonald's. One of my bad things. But I eat McDonald's once a month. Pizza, I will eat like once or twice a month. So I still do the things I love, but minimal because it affects my workout, my running. So all I do is focus on running, just one thing. But it forces me to drink water. It forces me to do pull-ups, sit-ups, and push-ups. What about push-ups? How do I get like 7,000 push-ups in a month and a half? Very simple. I like to play games online at work. 5-minute games, stuff like that. But it's not good. I should be working, right? I should be running the company, which I do. So how do I stop myself from playing so much games? Every time I finish a game, 5 minutes, I do 20 push-ups. In a day, I do an average about 200 push-ups. Just because I play 10 5-minute games. There you go. So what does that mean? You just gotta do and focus one thing to improve yourself, and it becomes a domino effect. You start eating right. You start drinking water. You start sleeping early. I used to stay up to 2 o'clock in the morning, 1 a.m. Thinking about what? Thinking about the business, being stressed out about the business, being stressed about my family, worrying about all these things that I cannot do anything about it because it's 2 a.m. What are you gonna do? You can't do anything. You're tired. You've been working all day. So you wake up early, and now it forces you to sleep early because you're tired. By 9, 10, I'm so tired. I go straight to sleep as soon as I lie in bed. So change one habit, one thing about yourself. For me, it was waking up early and running. What is it for you? Find out. I'm not saying for you to do the same thing because I know it's very tough, but that's what I did. I was doing it 3 days a week, 4 days a week. Now I'm doing 7 days a week. And record it. It's very important. Record down what you are doing to better yourself. And my list was first running, and then I added the pull-ups, and then I added the push-ups. I added the reading times. Every day I read half an hour now after my run in the morning and everything. I'm done by around 6 o'clock, and then I read for half an hour, and I'm getting books in, left and right. Back then it took me about 3 months to 4 months, so even 6 months to read one book. Now I took on average 1 week per book. So you can do all these things. It's not about, oh, it's the weekend, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go to the gym hard, or I'm gonna read this book this day when I'm free. No, you're never free. As an entrepreneur, you already know, you're busy 24/7. So how do you fit in all these things? Remember, I got the same amount of time that you have. Everybody does. So how do I do all these things? Just every day a little bit. Half an hour workout, 1 hour workout. Early in the morning, wake up, go to sleep early, drink water, do some push-ups throughout the day. Read a little bit throughout the day. If 6 o'clock is not good for you, find another time. Just keep trying things out and keep doing just one thing. And I guarantee you that one thing is gonna spin off and you're gonna change totally in a matter of 1 month or even less. All right, good luck.